There's no actual end in sales. How do we get ourselves up, going time after time? There are some techniques for changing our mindset about getting back out there on the hunt for deals. Welcome back to this weekly edition every Friday of the Japan Business Mastery Show. I'm your host, Dr. Greg Story, your corporate coaching and training guy, president of Dale Carnegie Training Japan and best-selling author of Japan Sales Mastery and Japan Business Mastery. My new book, Japan Presentations Mastery, will be released shortly. We are bringing the show to you from our studio in the High Performance Center in Akasaka in Minato-ku, the business center of Tokyo. This is episode number 71, and we are talking about back to the sales drawing board. Before we get going, a quick word from our sponsor. If you want to sell more and do it more easily, do the Winning with Relationships selling course. If you can't build trust, no sale. Can't design excellent questions to understand the client's needs? No sale. Can't present the solution convincingly? No sale. Can't handle objections properly? No sale. Can't close? No sale. Master the sales process by doing the Winning with Relationships selling course now in either Japanese or English. The bestseller, Japan Sales Mastery, is the new Bible of selling in Japan. To sell to Japanese buyers, you need to create long-term partner-level trust, fully understand Japanese buyers' real needs, convince buyers with your solutions, overcome their hesitation, fear, and doubt, know how to ask for the order, ensure repeat orders. This book is the product of 30 plus years in the trenches selling in Japan. Order Japan Sales Mastery now. Welcome back. Okay, now it's time for the show. Sore de wa ikimashou. So let's get going. Back to the sales drawing board. Sisyphus was banished to Hades for misdeeds in life and spent eternity rolling a large stone to the top of a hill just to watch it descend again. This is the sales life. Every year of the financial year, we are back to the bottom of the hill. Here we go again, having to push that big rock all the way up to the top. You're only as good as your last deal is a common refrain in sales. We struggle all year to make our targets, and then we go back to zero revenues and start rolling those massive KPI rocks up the hill once more. Now, most salespeople struggle to make their targets, and the targets are always being raised. The effort to get deals over the line before a cutoff leaves us in a disheveled heap. Maybe we made our target, maybe we didn't. Doesn't matter because we are in a new financial year now, so we have to start again. So the first thing is to not worry about the past. Draw lessons from it, but don't allow yesterday's worry to intimidate today's attitude. Fill our mind with thoughts of peace, courage, health, and hope. We cannot tolerate a vacuum in our mind, so either the good stuff goes in or we allow the bad stuff to disable us. We should not dwell on the negatives, but concentrate on solution finding for client problems. Expecting gratitude. This way, bad news and bad behavior never catch you mentally unprepared. Your client chooses your competitor and not you, despite the close relationship you have together. If you're assuming gratitude, is the usual state of the world, then you just brush it off, move forward. Count your blessings, not your troubles. You are focused on the hill and the rock, but not on your strengths. You have experience, contacts, track record, and a good reputation in the marketplace. You are a professional who always has the client's interest as your first priority. You practice your craft and you study to improve even further. Don't be overwhelmed by the hill in front. Break it down to centimetres. Unroll that rock a little every day, and you'll get to the top. Okay, we have to start again, but that is the fun of the game. We get to play again and see what we can do this year. See which wonderful new clients we can help. See what creative solutions we can generate. We are awesomely powerful learning machines, and the game is our university of life. Action steps. 1, don't worry about the past. 2, fill your mind with thoughts of peace, courage, health, and hope. 3, expecting gratitude. 4, count your blessings, not your troubles. 5, try to profit from your losses. 6, create happiness for others. Thank you for watching this episode, and remember to hit the subscribe button. The Japan Business Mastery Show is here to help you navigate your way around business in Japan. Subscribe on YouTube. Share with your family, friends, and colleagues. Hit the little bell icon for automatic new episode up notifications, reminders. Our website details are on screen now, enjapan.dalecarnegie.com. You might also enjoy our other weekly shows. For podcasts, Mondays for the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. Tuesday, we have the Presentations Japan series. Every second Tuesday, we have the Business Tachijin no Oshie Show. And Wednesdays, we have the Sales Japan series. Thursdays, we have the Leadership Japan series. And every second Thursday, we have the Business Pro Podcasto. And Fridays, the Japan Business Mastery Show. Sundays, Japan's top business interviews. Now, you get these wherever you get your podcast normally. Also, Mondays, we release our other TV show, the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. That's on YouTube. Every second Thursday, we release the Business Pro Television Show. Fridays for the Japan Business Mastery Show. And every Saturday, we release Japan's top business interviews. In episode number 72, we are talking about how to design our talk. Onegai itashimasu. Please join me next week to master business here, because that is what we all want, isn't it? Japan Business Mastery.